Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if this is the first time that you are tuning into my channel, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Please do not skip anywhere. If you find the video interesting, please do not forget to like and subscribe. The notification bell above, click it so that whenever I drop a video, you would get notified. And if you are a returning viewer, I want to say a very big thank you for always making our chance to watch my videos. So today I'm showing you guys the Ossah express road, 6-lane road expansion and construction. Okay, it's been long. I dropped an update about what is going on in this road that is almost done. You understand? In fact, this road is done already. There's nothing much remaining. So please watch the video up to the end as I take you down to Tower. I'm going to make a U-turn and go over to the other lane so you can see how work has been done here. Okay, please, like I said before, do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to share. Have you imagined how this road is going to look like when it's done? The demarcation you're seeing in the middle of the road is going to be painted. The street lights is going to be on at night. So just imagine driving through this road at night. Aside driving through this road at night, this road you're seeing was formerly a 4-lane road until the able governor of Abia State, started the project of expanding the road from 4 lanes to 6 lanes. As you can see, the road is almost done. There's only more to follow again. This road is leading you to Tower. If you're coming from Obara Square straight, just keep going straight from Obara Square. You got put on our Tower, you get to Tower. Now where this road now you bust out, you understand? So as you can see, there is a quality drainage for this road, and there's going to be the installation of solar powered street lights. Okay, so the street lights that are going to be on this road, they are all going to be solar powered. It's going to beautify this place while you're driving at night. You wouldn't have to bother if there's lights. There will be light definitely, so you'll be able to drive and go to where you're going. And because of the expansion of this road, it's going to reduce, go slow during festive seasons. If you pass through this road before December festive period, when a lot of people are coming back, the go slow that happens here, all those things are no longer going to be happening because of the expansion of this road. So we are approaching Tower, so please keep watching so that you will see what work has been done in the other lane of this road.